And let's take a look. Yeah, great overall tonal balancing using the mask technique. Now let's look at a slightly more complex example of this technique. So in this image of a beach in Costa Rica, I already did as much tonal control as I could in Lightroom. I brought the highlight slider all the way down as far as it would go, but I still want to darken the sky a bit more. I've also opened up the shadows slider in Lightroom as much as I can without causing the image to look too washed out, but I still want to see more detail in the forest and the rocks. I'll begin with the sky. Same step as before. I'm going to load a Lights 1 luminosity mask. I'm going to add that to a curves adjustment layer. I'm going to use the multiply blending mode to darken, and then I can use the curve to fine tune the darkening, and I'm just looking at the sky here. That's the part of the image that this adjustment is for. But as you can see, it is going down into the water and other parts of the image where I don't want that adjustment. So it's time to add it to a group with a black mask, either down here in the layers panel or up here in the V6 panel. And finally, grab a white paintbrush and mask this in to the upper part of the image here. And I don't have to be careful about going over the lines because this underlying luminosity mask, everywhere it's dark, it's keeping my painting from going into those areas. So even though I'm painting very sloppily up here in this mask, the mask underneath is controlling where that's going, and the result looks great. No halos, no edges apparent to the adjustment.